my gosh! What is that? Wow! Look it! It's a tea set! Oh, how fun! Caitlin! Look at that! Yeah, we'll have to take those out for you so you can play. Yeah. Well, thank you, Tutu. Yeah, fun. It's a cup. It's a cup. Yeah, cup. Cup. Tea set. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, thank you. Go get it. Here. Here's your present. Open it up. Let me see something pretty in there. Oh. There's something pretty. Thank you. Oh, fun. Oh, wow. It's a pretty dress. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, wow. Caitlin. Look, it's a pretty dress. Oh, how nice. Maggie and Zoe, gorgeous. Yeah, we'll have to open that up so you can play with it right away. Yeah. Thank you, Tutu. Okay, bye-bye. Yeah, I know. Mommy's going to open it for you right now. Bye-bye, Tutu. Thank you. Love you. Yeah, Mommy's opening it right now for you.